going on, everybody? So we got a package from Audio Savings. We're gonna do a little unboxing and maybe tie it into an install video. I don't know when I'm gonna get to do that though. It stinks because I have a microphone coming in from my GoPro in a couple of days. But oh well, I want to record this right now. I want to check it all out. So we got 10 gauge amplifier wiring kit. So hopefully there's a lot of wires in there, but this is the real thing. We got Rockville SS8P slim undersea powered subwoofer. So this is very different than anything I've ever had before for subwoofers or audio systems in cars, but it's the approach I want to go for my new vehicle. I want my subwoofer to be sleek, hidden, out of the way. You know, I don't want it to take up any room in my trunk. Oh, that is great. So yeah, here we have the entire system right here. Built-in amplifier and an 8-inch subwoofer. That's awesome. And then in here I should have all of the wiring. I'm going to open that up off camera not to bore y'all. Yeah, this will be cool, and hopefully Alright, so we started off with a little unboxing of our sub-amp combo. We also have a factory wiring harness adapter to allow a low-level RCA output. We got our wiring kit. We grabbed some little command strips to mount our bass knob with. And then we really just need some heat shrink, knife, lighter, flathead, and then a drill in case we have to drill a hole in our firewall, and also to get down our ground wire. But we're gonna get started, and first thing we're gonna do, I already went ahead and did this. You want to use some type of a pry bar to pop out the center console, and then you're gonna take that out and unhook the wire down there, and then we're gonna take out the 4 screws holding the radio in place. Alrighty, so we took the radio out and we plugged in the adapter harness for the RCA and the remote wire. So I'm going to just start wiring those up and probably tuck this all back together. Alright, so we just had to pop off the little plastic trim piece right here. There's a little plastic screw that has to be taken off, and then this whole piece can come off, and then this has to be popped up a little bit so that way we'll be able to tuck the wires. And we're going to be getting them right under the seat right here. I ran the RCA cable and the remote cable. Not going to be able to see them very well, but they're tucked up, and then into the back of the radio. So, got a little hole back there for our remote knob. And then that's going to get stuck right here between the heated seats. So, tucked and ran that wiring. So next thing we're going to do is run our power wire. So we're going to unhook the battery, then we're going to connect the power terminal right here, and then I'm going to look for a spot in the firewall where I want to run that. Alright, so we got our power cable ran. It's right here. I'm not going to hook it to the battery just yet, but it'll hook to the battery. And we got it running through, hidden into the fender well. And then it runs down right through here and then goes into a grommet, comes out with all the other wires. They're tucked under this, and then they're ran under the seat. And then, you know, we got them all coming out right here. The remote, well, the remote for the amp, the remote for the sub controls, RCAs, and the power. So we just got to get those wired up and get ground, and then we'll be good. What's up, guys? So back on the next day, just got everything wrapped up. So as you can see, I zip tied down my power wire. All of that wiring is hidden under the sills and goes under the seat. I have my bass knob. Oops, you can barely see it. I have my bass knob right here between my heated seats. Looks super flush and factory. And cleaned up my wiring back here. And I just cut the wiring right there, and then here's my sub right here under my driver's seat. And yeah, that's it. I'll add a little video with some copyright free music just to let you hear the sounds.
So after having the sub installed for like 2 days or so, I gotta say I'm extremely impressed with it right off the bat. So I'm just gonna give a little sound clip to show what it sounds like. Yeah, just a little sample, you know, I can't show too much, but yeah, it really sounds great. I'm very impressed. Thanks for taking time to check out the video. Leave a like if you liked it, subscribe if you can, and we'll catch you on the next one.